Good morning, students. In a previous video, we were discussing about the dress and the jewel of material. Now we know that material's husband got invitation from the education minister for the party, and he wanted to go to the party, but material was not ready to go to the party. The reason was she did not have a good dress. Later husband was ready to give money for the new dress, but still she was not ready to go to the party. The reason was she don't have a very good jewel to wear on that beautiful dress. The dress was really beautiful. There was no doubt that the dress was good, and she was not. But the husband tried to convince her that you looks very beautiful. You can wear flowers. That they are very fashionable at this time of the year, and so many reasons he gave, but she was not ready or convinced for listening. She was not ready to listen any reason, and she was not convinced to any of the reasons. Now what happened then? What do you think? Methodil and husband will go to the party or not? Okay, let us see. So the next day she went to her friend's house and he told her of her distress. Madame Froister went to her mirror. Now, okay, next day what happened? Material, she was very smart girl. She found out the way. When husband said, no, I cannot give you more money because I don't have money for the jewel. So Material think about that, and finally she found out the way. What was that way? Next day she went to the friend's house. Which friend? The same friend who was living in her locality only, and she was her schoolmate, right? We already discussed about this friend. Her name was Madame Froister. So next day, and who was very rich. So she went to Madame Froister's house, and she told her distress, or she told what she want from her, or she actually expressed that this is the condition. My husband got invitation. Now I bought a dress, but I don't have a jewel, and I don't understand what to do. On that, what Madame Froister says, she went to the mirror wardrobe, took out a large box, brought it back, opened it, and said to Madame Loisel, "Choose, my dear." As Material said, I don't have a very good very good jewel. So Madame Froister, she was her friend in the sense a schoolmate. She was a schoolmate. They were not good or intimate friends, best friends, but they knew each other for many years. And as Material told her that Material don't have any dress to wear, she got up from her seat. She went to the wardrobe, a mirror wardrobe it was, and she opened that, and she brought something for the Material. And what she did, she opened it, and she brought some jewels, and she opened it in front of Material, and she said, "Choose, my dear. These are the jewels I have. Whatever jewel you want, you just choose and take, no problem." First, Material saw one bracelet, then a pearl necklace. She tried on the jewelry in the mirror. She kept asking, "You have nothing else?" So whatever jewel she brought, who brought? Madame Froister brought, and she opened that. The cases. Case means what do you call that? There is a particular kind of boxes in which we keep the jewels. You might have seen in a goldsmith shop when he gives us. She opened all that boxes and kept in front of Material, and said, "See, whatever you want, you can choose out of this." Material tried one by one everything. First, she tried one bracelet, and she tried in the mirror, and she saw it is not looking good. Then she tried another pearl necklace, another in the sense pearl necklace. Then again she went into the mirror, and she saw how she looks, but that also she did not like. And one after another she went on trying, and keep on asking. What she was keep on asking, "You have nothing else?" इसके अलावा और कुछ नहीं है, मतलब उसको पसंद नहीं आ रही थी, बोलने कि इसके अलावा और कुछ नहीं है आपके पास जो मैं अच्छे से मतलब मैं पहन के जा सकूँ. What Forrester said on that? Mrs. Forrester said, "Why not? Yes, but I don't know what you like." She said, "I have a lot of things. I have a lot of jewels, but I don't know which will you like." Okay, and by saying like that, suddenly she got up from her seat. She went to the wardrobe. She brought a lot of another jewels or boxes, satin boxes that is given here. Lot of satin boxes, and she kept in front of Methilil. And suddenly Methilil discovered that in a black satin box, she was choosing this. While doing that, she looked at one of the black satin box. So she took that black satin box, a superb diamond necklace, and she opened it. And when she opened it, what was there? It was in that there was a diamond necklace was there, and her heart began to beat with an uncontrolled desire. Her hands trembled as she took it. She fastened it around her neck and stood lost in ecstasy as she looked at herself. Okay, what happened? She took that satin box and she opened it, and what was there? It was a diamond necklace, and the necklace was so beautiful. She took that necklace and she tried in her neck in front of the mirror, obviously. And when she was doing that, her heart was beating loudly because that necklace was so beautiful and she liked it so much. The most important thing, okay, and her hands were trembling, like this kapna. Her hands were trembling when she was trying that. And when she lost in the sense she lost herself looking at herself only. And then she asked anxiously, hesitatingly, "Would you lend me this, just this?" And when she saw that, and when she comes and her real senses again, then she जैसे फिर से होश में आ गई. वो पहले तो वो खो गई थी देख के, अरे माय गॉड हाउ ब्यूटीफुल आई एम लुकिंग. And after that, she come back and she asked anxiously and hesitatingly again. Why hesitatingly? Because that necklace was very very expensive. एंड धीरे से उसने पूछा, वुड यू लेंड मी दिस, जस्ट दिस. उसने पूछा, क्या तुम मुझे ये दे सकती हो, ये वाला नेकलेस, सिर्फ ये चाहिए मुझे, दूसरा नहीं चाहिए, एक भी नहीं मिलेगा तो चलेगा, सिर्फ ये वाला चाहिए. एंड व्हाट मैडम फ्रोस्टर वुड हैव सेड, यस ऑफ कोर्स, व्हाई नॉट, बिकॉज शी वॉज वेरी रिच वुमेन, सो शी डिड नॉट फील एनीथिंग. उसने बोला, यस, क्यों नहीं, बिल्कुल ले लो. ओके. She threw her arm around her next friend's neck rapturously, then flew with her treasure. And with this, what she did, Methilil hugged her friend with happiness, and she said, "Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I expected this from you." And with this, because whatever she wanted, she got it. Now she got dress also, she got jewel also, and she can go to the party because she used to like go to the parties, and that was a very big party. And now she has dress also and jewel also, and it was a very good opportunity for her to go to the party, and that's why Material was very very happy. Okay. Then let us see what happened in the party in our next video. By then, have a nice day. Thank you.